Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark from Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. And today, I'll be doing an unboxing and review of some true wireless earbuds from a company called ABRAMTEK. Alright, but you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. Alright, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Alright. Now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright. I hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Like I said, today I'm doing a review of some earbuds from a company called ABRAMTEK. I was searching through the interwebs and I was looking for, I see a lot of good information about these earbuds. I said, let me give them a try. Plus, you know, they were at a good price. So that's what really drew my attention. Good price, and heard a lot of good things about them. I said, let me give them a try. So, and also they make this company makes some awesome Bluetooth speakers, which eventually I'm gonna get my hands on and do a review on and bring it to you guys so you guys can see that, because they make some awesome stuff from all the reviews I'm seeing. So let's go ahead and open up the box. And another thing that draw my attention to these bad boys is that I'm hearing these are supposed to be some of the smallest earbuds you ever seen. So, and have good sound quality. So I said, let me check it out for myself. I want to see how small these bad boys really are and how they work. So, all right, here's your box. Bring you a close up of the box. Got their company branding and logo right here, ABRAMTEK. See, you know, nice little classy little, you know, simple, clean design. Nice, I like it. Nice, I like it. Let's open up the box. Bam! Wow, they are small. They were telling the truth. Look at this. Let me bring it back down. Come on, focus. You see how small these bad boys are? Let me bring it back a little closer. These things are small. Let me get out my Samsung buds. These are my Samsung buds, and these are the ABRAMTEKs. Wow, look at the difference. You see that? I'm trying to get this stuff out of the way so you can see it. Wow, they are small compared to the Samsung buds. Wow, I can't believe this, man. So let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. I'm gonna put them to the side. Let me put this to the side. Let's see what else we get in the box. All right, here. Let's see here. Get this stuff up. But nice little presentation though. I want to tear the box up. Move it to the side. Push and pull. Push and pull. Try to be gentle with getting it out of the box. All right. Nothing else in the bottom of the box. Put that part of the box to the side. Let's see what we get here. Let me see if I can back this out a little bit. Alright. Let's see here. Open up. See what we got here. Alright. We got a charging cable. And we have some spare ear tips. And look like we have the instruction booklet. Alright. We'll toss that to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the accessory bag. See what else was in the bag before we get to the speakers itself. Trying not to tear up the bag, but might have to tear it up anyway. Alright, let's empty the contents out. Alright, toss that bag to the side. Let's see here. So it looks like you get 2 pair of replacement tips. Okay, nice. You get look like some large, a pair of large, and a pair of small. Alright, and I'm gonna see. I'm wonder if I'm gonna have to switch out. So, but you see right here, get 2 pair of replacement tips. They feel more sturdy than some of the other budget-friendly earbuds I've reviewed. So let's put those to the side. And here's the next accessory. Oh wow! They got USB-C. Wow, they're stepping it up. For a pair of earbuds at a good budget price to have USB-C, okay, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Because, you know, you still see a lot of the budget-friendly earbuds at under the $50. It's still using the micro USB, but this company is stepping their game up. Good job, ABRAMTEK. Okay, let's go ahead and put that to the side, and let's get to the star of the show. Man, I just can't get over how small the case is. I'm like, this is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Man, and they don't, it's like they're light as a feather. Let's see, you can see the front of the case here. You see some 4 LEDs out there for your battery life, and your charging slot for your USB-C charging slot. Like you have a little LED right there for looks like a LED. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the box. Wow, look at this. This is crazy. All this in a small package. Let's go ahead and take the buds out. Wow, you see this? You see this? These are nice. These are nice. Let me open up the case of my Samsung buds and show you the difference. Now, put them side by side. You see how big those Samsung buds are right there? Compared to these? I mean, these look like giants. The Samsung buds look like giants compared to the ABRAMTEK. Wow. This is, let me take out the bud. You can see. You can see for yourself. Yeah, these are way smaller. Wow, I just can't get over the size. I mean, I haven't even got to the sound yet. I just can't get over the size. But yeah, bring them out so we can see what we're looking at. Like they got the medium-sized ear tips. Okay, and on the front, we'll get this camera to focus. Okay, we focus. It's got your brand. It got the little connectors right here. It's showing this is labeled which one is right, and on this one which one is left. Has little connectors in there. And in case, let me make sure it's got magnetic. Yep, magnetic case, so you ain't got to worry about them falling out. Shake test, not coming out. All right, and let's see here. Pretty nice look. There's not touch sensitive. You have to actually physical buttons. So, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and try them on, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit more information about these nice, tiny, budget-friendly earbuds from ABRAMTEK. All right, hold tight. Okay. I've had time to go ahead and listen to these earbuds and check them out for the sound and see how they sound. And I gotta say, I am blown away. For the price point, these bad boys are awesome. For the price point, I mean, you don't find that many earbuds at $39. There's this small profile. Also, the sound this good. I mean, the sound, like the bass was just right. I mean, it's not real bass heavy, but it's, you know, you can hear a good bass. The mids are clear, the highs are clear. Like I say, for this price point, the sound is on point. The sound is on point for a pair of earbuds at this price point, under $50. At the price point, it's like $39, $39.99 on Amazon. I'm telling you. This is a pretty good deal. This is a pretty good deal. Like I said, good sound quality. They don't get real loud. The volume is just right. I mean, the settings also are just right. So when I was like, I put them in. I mean, I was blown away. I was like, I can't believe these earbuds are at a low price point at $39 and sound this good. I was like, you know, I was expecting it to be okay or whatever, but when I put them in, I was like, man, these bad boys sound like just as good as some earbuds that were like on a, say, $75 price point. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, these, for the size, look at these bad boys. They're tiny. They're tiny. They sound real good. And I'm going to show you what, let me see if I can bring up, I got a picture of what they're going to look like in your ears. First, I got to wipe off my screen on my phone. and this is what they're gonna look like in your ears. Small. I can really tell that I had them on. They're very light, and they're IPX7 certified. Let me see what else. Bluetooth 5.0. Good stereo sound. I mean, the charging, the charging didn't take but maybe an hour for me to charge it, and I wasn't able to find out anything about battery life, but it didn't take too long to charge them up. So that's what the one thing I did. I went on and charged them up, warm, used them with my iPad and my Note 8, and I had zero lag. I mean, sound crystal clear. And I'm like, I can't keep saying it. I'm blown away from the quality. So, ABRAMTEK, you did it. You blew out the water with this one. I mean, they're so small, compact, fit in your pocket. I mean, man, what else you want? I mean, yeah, it doesn't have wireless charging, but it has USB-C. I mean, come on now. There's a lot of earbuds out there that don't even have USB-C yet. So I mean, man, USB-C. Like I said, small profile. This right here is small enough to fit in that top pocket in blue jeans. You know, you had a little small pocket that you have in blue jeans at the top. This will fit in there with no problem. No problem. And they're so small and light. When you fit in the ears, you'll forget you got them on. So, yeah. They blew it out the water on these right here. ABRAMTEK, I think they did a real good job. Like I said, at the price point, you're looking for something, some good earbuds. It's not going to break the bank. That it's going to sound good, give you good sound. Oh, that's one thing I forgot to tell you. That also, they work independently, and the ambulance goes by right when making the video, right? Anyway, also. They work, you could use them independently by themselves without even the video stopping, because I was watching my iPad, and I just wanted to put one in to see how it works. The video didn't stop. I could still hear the sound coming out of the earbuds. So yes, you can use the earbuds independently without having to do any extra steps. So that's a huge plus. There's a lot of earbuds out there you can't do that. You can only wear you both of them at a time. So that's a plus too. So yeah, for the price point. This is awesome pickup. $39? Come on, man. So I think these are gonna be my new standbys. Like when my battery run out on my Samsung Buds, I go ahead and have these with me. Pull them out, bam. Open up, pair them up. So when you open up, they pair up. Easy pair, bam. One thing I would say, before the first time you connect these to your device, make sure you open them up. They're powered up and they're fully charged. And they're paired to each other. Once they're paired to each other, then go ahead and pair them to your device. You're good to go. Seamless. All right. That's been my review on these tiny ABRAMTEK True Wireless Earbuds. All right. Look at the little blue LEDs. Too cool. All right. So, especially with this time, and a lot of people are spending more time at home. Everybody's home, and you don't want to disturb anybody. And something that's not going to be too gigantic in your ears and be uncomfortable, you can wear for a while. This will be a good pickup. You ain't got to disturb nobody. You can watch your videos or play your games, whatever you're going to do. Bam, you got some small. It's not going to hurt your ears, and it's going to be a good, awesome sound. So, yeah, that's been my review of the ABRAMTEK True Wireless Earbuds. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bells, and notify new videos. Tell a friend. And once we hit that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways on the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? So, tell a friend, subscribe. Alright? Appreciate it. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? And the message for the day is, believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself. That's the message for the day. Believe in yourself. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. And I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.